in these endeavors, including the facilitation of people-to-people exchanges, promotion of investment, and sharing of experiences in sustainable tourism practices. I congratulate my brother, President Azali Osmani, for graciously accepting the immense responsibility and momentous mandate of the AU chairmanship for the year 2023. Mr. President, my brother, you have made the Comoros the first island state to assume the leadership of the AU, our continental governing body. This is a highly exemplary achievement that will give confidence to all the people of Africa, irrespective of whether they come from small or big states. I take this opportunity to reiterate Kenya's commitment to support you, Mr. President, and the Union of Comoros as you lead the African continent to greater heights and confronting the people's day-to-day challenges. I am very proud, Mr. President, that Kenya had a small role in making sure that Comoros takes over the responsibility of the leadership of the AU and making history as you have made. Kwa heshima ya ndugu yangu rais wenu, serikali ya Kenya itawapatia scholarships 100 kwa watoto wa kutoka hapa Comoro. Na vile vile, kwa sababu ya undugu na urafiki na watu wa Comoro, vijana wenu wanafunzi wote wanaosomea Kenya sasa watalipishwa kama vile wao ni wa Kenya na sio wageni tena. More than ever, we must embrace